afternoon. We thought we'd give you a little bit of an update on our seed starting. This is our nice setup. As you can see, it's full of condensation and lots of plants. These are our celery plants that we started indoors. Some little babies have popped up through the dirt. It's always exciting. I replanted some broccoli and some cauliflower and a few other things that either did not germinate or have been up-potted, which is one of the reasons for this video today. These small cells are great for starting seeds. However, they quickly run out of space for their roots to get nourishment. So we will be up-potting. This lovely nasturtium right here, as you can see, is quite large and has 3 leaves on it. I like to try to up-pot once they've hit their 3rd to 4th leaf. You can see this one is well overgrown its area, so we're going to put it in the next size up, which is a 6-pack standard kind of nursery starting station. So you can see here that I am carefully, without breaking any of the roots, trying to get these little seedlings out of the original cells. There's those lovely little roots. They're all intact. Perfect. Make sure that we have a nice deep spot for those roots to settle down into. And we plunk that little baby into its new home. This will be here for another couple of weeks, and then we may have to up-pot it again depending on the weather. We do live in zone 5A in upstate New York. We never quite know what spring will bring. So I'm adding a little extra dirt here. We want to really make sure that the soil, it has enough soil in each cell for the roots to grow properly and the plant to be able to grow properly and not be stunted. Make sure that you always label your seedlings. It's very easy as you grow in gardening to lose track of what you have and where it is. I like to top spray with spray bottle that I picked up at the dollar store. These are lettuces over here, and I just like to make sure that the top of the soil is really, really wet, especially when you're transplanting. They need a good jump start after the shock of being uprooted and replanted again. So there's the cauliflowers. I have some broccoli. Those were also up-potted because they got too big for their britches. These are the lettuce plants that I up-potted the other day. They're doing wonderful. And this is the overall happy flat of beautiful young starts. This is the beginning of garden season, folks. And last but finally not least, keep good track of your planting. You want to make sure that you have planting dates, that you have sprouting dates, and that you have up-potting dates. It makes life a lot easier when you're gardening for next season. And this is just a little picture of mine. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like, subscribe, and share button.